Now come to question number 4. Let's start question number 4 of chapter fraction, brain teachers. Here you see 9 8 ja 72. Here also you will multiply 8 because 8 is multiplied here means you also multiply 8 with the numerator. So 8 8 ja how much, children? It is 64 right here. See, 9 8 ja 72, 8 8 ja 64. Now come to this. 5 into how much is 50? If you recall, 5 10 ja 50. Here also 6 10 ja 60. Write down. Now this one, this is division, 45 and 54. So 45 become 5 means what is divided here? What number is divided with 45 so that 5 came? If you recall 5 table, you will come to know that 5 9 ja 45. So here 9 is divided with 45 so that 5 came. Here also you divide 9. If you divide 9, what will come? Which number 9 ja 54? If you recall, you will find out it is 6 9 ja 54. Got it? Now this one, this is also division. 65 is divided with which number so that 5 come? Let's do it. This is all about remembering tables. If you remember the tables properly, so 65 divided by 5, 5 1 ja 5 minus this is 1 15, 5 3 ja 15. So 13 is the answer. So if we see here 65 divided by 13, that gives us 5. So we will divide 13 up also in the numerator also. So if you recall, 13 3 ja 39. So 3 will come here. Got it, children? Now come to the last. Complete the pattern. 1 by 4, 1 by 16, 1 by 64. If you see the pattern, numerator is different and denominator is different. Here in this fractions what we did, these are equivalent fractions. So we multiplied the same number in the numerator and the denominator. But here the same number is not multiplied in both. You see here 1 1 is multiplied and the denominator 4 4 is multiplied. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. Simply you multiply again 4 into 4 you do, you will get here. Again into 4 you do, you will get the next number. And in the numerator 1 will be going like that. These are unit fractions. So you multiply 64 into 4, what you will get? 4 4 is 16. This is 256. So write here 256. Again multiply 4 with this and write, let's multiply 4 again with 256. It is 1024. So this is the place you write 1024. Got it? It will be done like this. Let's see the next number. This is 1, 2 by 3, 4 by 9, 8 by 27. How to do it? This 1 is given here. I can write it in this form, 1 by 1. I have written the whole number into a fraction type like this so that it will be easier for you to understand. So here in the numerator, the sequence is, it is multiplied by 2. You see 1 into 2 2, 2 into 2 is 4, and 4 into 2 is 8. Similarly, we will multiply again 2 with this. 8 2 ja 16. Again 2 will be multiplied with this. That will be 32. Got it, children? Now you see here 3 multiplied. Numerator is different and denominator is different. 1 3 ja 3. 3 3 ja 9. 9 3 ja 27. 27 3 ja, if you multiply you will get it 81. Again 81 3 ja 243. So this is all about the question given here. I think you have understood. Thank you, children.